Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news from Huawei that will leave you eagerly counting down the days to August 6th. Huawei, known for pushing the boundaries of innovation, is about to make a significant splash in the smartphone market with its first ever Nova-branded flip phone. That's right, we're talking about the highly anticipated Huawei Nova Flip. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about this sleek and stylish device, which is set to join the Nova 13 series. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the juicy details of what could be one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. Huawei has been making waves in the smartphone industry with its innovative designs and cutting-edge technology, and the Nova series has always been at the forefront of this revolution. The upcoming Nova 13 series is already generating a lot of buzz, with expected models like the Nova 13, Nova 13 Pro, and the Nova 13 Ultra. However, amidst all the excitement, Huawei dropped a surprise bombshell, the Nova Flip. This new edition is set to redefine the flip phone market with its stunning design and promising features. In a recently released teaser video, Huawei showcased the Nova Flip in all its glory. The device is expected to go official on August 6th in China, and the teaser has left us all intrigued. The Nova Flip sports a beautiful green edition, which is bound to turn heads. On the inside, it features a foldable screen with a punch-hole design, ensuring a seamless and immersive viewing experience. The foldable screen technology not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also provides practicality and convenience, making it a perfect blend of style and function. The design of the Nova Flip is meticulously crafted, with attention to detail evident in every aspect. The right side of the device houses a volume rocker and a power key, both of which are integrated with a fingerprint sensor. This thoughtful design choice ensures that security is never compromised while maintaining a sleek and seamless look. The top edge of the Nova Flip is equipped with a microphone, while the bottom edge features a SIM slot, another microphone, a USB-C port, and a speaker grill. This setup promises excellent connectivity and audio quality, making it a versatile device for everyday use. The back panel of the Nova Flip is equally impressive, with a rectangle module that houses a vertical dual camera unit on the left and a square-shaped secondary screen. This secondary screen is likely to offer quick access to notifications and other essential functions, adding to the overall user experience. While Huawei has been tight-lipped about the specifications of the Nova Flip, we can make some educated guesses based on the company's history and the target market. The Nova series is known for targeting the younger generation with sub-flagship or mid-range specs, and the Nova Flip is likely to follow suit. Given that Huawei's pocket-branded flip phones, such as the Pocket 2, come with impressive features and a premium price tag, the Nova Flip might offer a more affordable alternative without compromising on quality and performance. In addition to the Nova Flip, Huawei is also working on the Mate 70 series of flagship phones. Early reports suggested that the Mate 70 series would be announced in the third quarter of this year. However, with the Nova 13 lineup expected to break cover in Q3, it seems that the Mate 70 series might be pushed back to Q4. This strategic move could allow Huawei to focus on the Nova series launch and build anticipation for the Mate 70 series later in the year. And there you have it, folks. The Huawei Nova Flip is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the Nova series, with its innovative design and promising features. As we eagerly await the official launch on August 6th, there's no doubt that Huawei is set to make a significant impact in the flip phone market. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel for more updates and in-depth reviews once the Nova Flip is officially unveiled. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.